Hi everyone! Welcome back to English Fab, where learning English is practical, useful, and fab. Today we're talking about weather vocabulary, which is something we use in everyday conversations. Whether you're planning a trip, checking the forecast, or just making small talk, knowing how to describe different weather conditions can be really helpful. Many English learners find it tricky to describe the weather naturally. Do you say it's chilly or it's freezing? What's the difference between a thunderstorm and a hailstorm? Don't worry. I'll break it all down for you in an easy and practical way. In this lesson, we'll go over essential weather-related vocabulary, including different types of weather, temperature conditions, seasons, natural disasters, and common weather-related items and activities. We'll also look at real-life example sentences so you can see how to use these words in conversation. Now, let's get started. Let's go over some essential vocabulary. 1. Types of weather. Sunny, when the sun is shining brightly and there are no clouds in the sky. Cloudy, when the sky is covered with clouds blocking out the sun. Rainy, when there is rain falling from the sky. Snowy, when snowflakes fall from the sky, usually in winter. Windy, when there are strong winds blowing. Foggy, when there is thick mist in the air, making it hard to see. Stormy, when there is heavy rain, strong winds, and sometimes thunder and lightning. Humid, when the air is warm and has a lot of moisture, making it feel sticky. Dry, when there is very little moisture in the air, often in desert-like conditions. Drizzly, when there is light, continuous rain. Overcast, when the entire sky is covered with clouds, but it is not raining. Chilly, when the weather is cool and a little cold. Icy, when the ground, roads, or surfaces are covered in ice. Hazy, when the air is unclear due to smoke, dust, or heat. Freezing, when the temperature is extremely cold, below the freezing point of water. 2. Weather conditions and temperature. Heat wave, a period of extremely hot weather that lasts for several days. Cold front, a mass of cold air that brings a drop in temperature. Warm breeze, a gentle warm wind. Frost, a thin layer of ice that forms on surfaces when temperatures drop. Thunderstorm, a storm with thunder, lightning, and rain. Lightning, a flash of electricity in the sky during a storm. Hailstorm, a storm that brings pieces of ice called hail falling from the sky. Misty, when the air is filled with very light fog. Blazing hot, extremely hot weather with strong sunshine. Bitter cold, very cold weather that feels harsh. Muggy hot and humid weather that feels heavy. Scorching, very hot weather that can be uncomfortable. Gusty winds, sudden strong bursts of wind. Drought, a long period with little or no rain, causing dry conditions. Flood, when water covers land that is normally dry, usually due to heavy rain. 3. Seasons and climate. Spring, the season after winter when flowers bloom and the weather gets warmer. Summer, the hottest season of the year with long sunny days. Autumn, the season when leaves change color and the weather becomes cooler. Winter, the coldest season, often with snow and ice. Monsoon, a season of heavy rainfall in tropical areas. Rainy season, a time of year with frequent rainfall. Dry season, a time of year with little or no rain. Tropical climate, a warm, humid climate usually near the equator. Arctic climate, a cold climate found in polar regions. Desert climate, a very dry climate with little rain and extreme temperatures. Temperate climate, a mild climate with warm summers and cool winters. Polar vortex, a large mass of cold air over the poles that can bring freezing temperatures. Hurricane season, the time of year when hurricanes are most likely to occur. Seasonal change, the transition from one season to another. Wildfire season, a period when wildfires are common due to dry weather. 4. Natural disasters and extreme weather. Hurricane, a powerful storm with strong winds and heavy rain, often in tropical areas. Tornado, a fast-moving, funnel-shaped cloud that can cause destruction. Typhoon, a hurricane that forms in the Pacific Ocean. Earthquake, the shaking of the ground caused by movements in the Earth's crust. Blizzard, a severe snowstorm with strong winds. Tsunami, a large ocean wave caused by an underwater earthquake. Avalanche, a rapid fall of snow and ice down a mountain. Sandstorm, a storm with strong winds that blow sand and dust. Thunderstorm, a storm with rain, thunder, and lightning. Hailstorm, a storm that produces ice pellets called hail. Wildfire, a large fire that spreads quickly in dry forested areas. Landslide, a sudden movement of rocks and earth down a hill or mountain. Volcanic eruption, when lava, ash, and gases escape from a volcano. Ice storm, a storm that coats everything in a layer of ice. Heat wave, a long period of extremely hot weather. 5. Weather-related items and activities. Umbrella, a tool used to protect yourself from rain. Raincoat, a waterproof coat worn in rainy weather. Sunglasses, glasses worn to protect your eyes from the sun. Sunscreen, a lotion used to protect the skin from sunburn. Scarf, a piece of clothing worn around the neck to stay warm. Gloves, hand coverings worn to keep hands warm. Snow boots, boots designed for walking in snow. Windbreaker, a lightweight jacket that blocks the wind. Shovel, a tool used to remove snow from sidewalks and driveways. Sled, a flat vehicle used for sliding on snow. Air conditioner, a machine used to cool a room in hot weather. Heater, a device that warms a room in cold weather. Thermometer, a tool used to measure temperature. Ice scraper, a tool used to remove ice from car windows. Rain boots, waterproof boots worn in rainy weather. Now that we've gone over essential vocabulary, let's see how these words are used in real-life sentences. These examples will help you understand how to use them naturally in conversation. 1. Types of weather. It's cloudy today, so I don't need my sunglasses. Cloudy weather blocks direct sunlight, so wearing sunglasses may not be necessary. I love snowy days because I can build a snowman. Snowy days are fun for winter activities like building snowmen or having snowball fights. 2. Weather conditions and temperature. A heat wave is coming, so drink plenty of water. During a heat wave, staying hydrated is important to avoid dehydration. The thunderstorm last night was so loud it woke me up. Thunderstorms can be noisy, especially when thunder and lightning are strong. 3. Seasons and climate. My favorite season is autumn because of the colorful leaves. Autumn, also called fall, is known for its beautiful red, orange, and yellow leaves. The monsoon season brings heavy rain every year. Monsoon seasons typically bring strong winds and heavy rainfall, especially in tropical regions. 4. Natural disasters and extreme weather. The tornado destroyed several houses in the town. Tornadoes can be extremely destructive, damaging homes and infrastructure. A blizzard is expected this weekend, so stay indoors. Blizzards bring heavy snowfall and strong winds, making it unsafe to travel. 5. Weather-related items and activities. Don't forget your umbrella. It's going to rain later. An umbrella is useful for staying dry on rainy days. I need my sunscreen before going to the beach. Sunscreen helps protect the skin from sunburn and harmful UV rays. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you now feel more confident using weather-related vocabulary in your daily conversations. Whether you're talking about a sunny day, preparing for a thunderstorm, or discussing the changing seasons, these words will help you express yourself naturally in English. Remember, learning a language takes practice, so try using these words when you check the weather forecast or chat with friends. Okay, thanks for watching today's lesson on English Fab. I hope you found these English tips useful and feel more confident. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Fab English lessons. Until next time, keep practicing and stay Fab.